Hey everyone, this is Michael Tennell with the Destination Linux Network, and I want to let you know about an awesome thing that is happening this weekend, Sunday, November 15th at 4 p.m. Eastern, and that is the DLN Game Fest. Now, you might be wondering, why are you doing a Game Fest all of a sudden? Well, actually, we're celebrating the 200th episode. That's right, 200th episode of Destination Linux. That will be happening at 1 p.m. Eastern Time on November 15th, so you can watch that show being recorded live on YouTube and Twitch at 1 p.m. Eastern Time, and then right after that, you can join us for the 4 p.m. Eastern Time of the DLN Game Fest. And on this Game Fest, we're going to be playing a variety of different games. First of all, we're going to be playing the open source first-person shooter Xonotic, which is an awesome, fun game that is in the same vein as Quake and Unreal Tournament and that sort of stuff, but it is just a really, really awesome time, and that will be available to anyone to join us, regardless of being a patron or not, because we have our own DigitalOcean droplet, and because this game allows for a lot of different people, it's be open to anyone to join it. As long as you can get in the server, you can join us. So there you go. And also, we're going to be playing Super Tux Kart, which is an open source racing game, and it has the same kind of vein as Mario Kart, but it uses the characters from a variety of different open source applications and projects and stuff, including Tux, the Linux mascot, as well as Krita's mascot, and KDE's mascot, and Gnome's mascot, and etc., just a bunch of cool stuff. So that's also going to be open to anyone to be able to join, because we're using the game is also more open-ended and has a lot more spots for people to play the game, and that will be another one on our DigitalOcean droplet using a Super Tux Kart server. Then we're going to be going into some other games that are more limited in the amount of people who can play them, so those games will be only available for people who are patrons on the Destination Linux Network. So if you're a patron of DL, Das Geek, Tux Digital, or etc., you'll be able to join this game. So what's that game? We're gonna be playing Shell Shock Live, which is a really cool turn-based tank game that is just a ton of fun. You will definitely enjoy it. We had a lot of fun the last time we played it on the Game Fest, so we wanted to do it again. And then we're also going to be playing Among Us, which is a very, very popular game right now that is on all the kinds of streams and stuff. And we just wanted to play it, and it is fantastic. And I've already played it myself, and it is just a lot of fun. Now, it is kind of weird in the sense that it's about sabotage and killing people and like backstabbing, but you have to just watch it to see it. It's fun. It's fun. You'll see. But anyway, the DLN Game Fest is just a ton of fun, so be sure to join us at 4 p.m. Eastern Time. That's UTC-5 on November 15th. That's a Sunday, so again, join us for that. And also, if you want to check out the live stream of the Destination Linux episode 200th extravaganza, then you should definitely do that by going to destinationlinux.network to find out more. We have so much cool stuff that's happening right now, so be sure to not miss it. 1 p.m. Eastern Time for the live stream of the show, which is going to be a really cool experience for those who have not been patrons before. You'll be able to watch the recording of the show, as well as some of the patron post-show. We have a weekly hangout after the show every single time with patrons, so you get to see some of that as well. And then we're going to be going to the Game Fest. So much stuff coming this Sunday, so you don't want to miss it. November 15th. 1 p.m. Eastern Time for the show, 4 p.m. Eastern Time for the Game Fest, and I can't wait to see you there, so go to destinationlinux.network/gamefest to find out all the details and everything that I couldn't fit into here, and the schedule for when the games are going to happen, which games, what order, all that stuff. Go to destinationlinux.network/gamefest.